In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Wise to Pakistani bank account. Before we begin, make sure your Wise app is updated and that you have a stable internet connection. Having the recipient's correct banking details ready will make the process smooth and help you avoid delays. Start by opening the Wise app on your mobile device. On the home screen, tap Send. This is where every transfer begins. You'll be creating a new recipient profile so the app knows exactly where to route the money. Next, tap Add Recipient. This tells Wise you want to save or use details for someone who will receive the funds. You'll be able to choose the country and currency so the payment is set up correctly. Use the search field to look for Pakistani. Typing the country name helps narrow down the available currencies and transfer routes, which is important because each country has its own banking formats and requirements. Select Pakistani Rupee. Choosing PKR ensures the money arrives in the local currency, which typically helps the recipient avoid extra conversion fees at their bank. If your intention is to deliver funds directly into a Pakistani bank account, PKR is the standard choice. Now choose bank details. This option lets you send money straight to a bank account rather than to a card or a wallet. It's the most reliable method for most recipients in Pakistan. Select someone else. Use this option when you're paying another person and not your own account. This helps keep your saved recipients organized and avoids confusion. Enter the recipient's email. This email is used for communication and, in some cases, to help the recipient receive updates about the transfer. If you don't have their email, confirm it with them first. Only enter an address they're comfortable using for transfer notifications. Enter the recipient's full name exactly as it appears on their bank account. Consistency matters. Even small differences in spelling or order can cause the transfer to be delayed or rejected by the receiving bank. Enter the recipient's IBAN. For Pakistan, the IBAN starts with PK and includes a total of 24 characters. Copy it carefully from the recipient's bank source to avoid typos. Never guess or truncate the IBAN. An incorrect number can send money to the wrong account or bounce the transfer. When everything looks correct, tap Continue. Wise will use these details to prepare the transfer on the next screen, where you can proceed with your payment. Take a moment to review what you've entered before moving forward, and you'll be set for a smooth, secure transfer to a Pakistani bank account.